good, everybody? It's your boy Paxtax back with another one. Today we're talking about using Google Gemini for developers. All right, make sure you smash that like and that sub. We're not gonna waste any time. About to hop on the computer and show you guys how to do it. Let's go. Guys, here we are on the computer. The first thing you want to do is go directly to google.com. Simple as that. All right, here we are on Google. We're going to go up here to our navigation menu in the top, and we're going to click on Gemini, and that's how we're going to get started developing. That's going to take us directly to our development plane or our Gemini dashboard, whatever you want to call it, okay? So to keep this as simplistic as possible, we're going to get it started, but I do recommend that you always have a plan. We're going to jump right in. We're going to keep it very simplistic. We're going to say, hey, can you please make a dashboard for a financial application using vanilla HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JS. Now, if you notice here, I did not spell this correctly at all. That's one thing also, this isn't a prompting course, but understand when you're talking to AI, it does not have to be grammatically correct. You can have spelling errors because a lot of the time it knows exactly the context of what you're trying to say. As long as you're not putting a whole bunch of gibberish, it has to be contextually relevant to what's going on, okay? Now, to make sure that we're able to actually use Gemini to do coding, what we're gonna do is click right here on the canvas button. Now, if you hover over it, and I'm not sure if they have this on Mac, but on Windows, for the explainer, if you hover over it, it says to create docs and code. So we're going to go ahead and click canvas, and it's as simple as this. We have a 1-sentence prompt, and we're going to ask Gemini to do this, and we're going to click enter and see what happens. All right. Okay, so just like that, Gemini is off to town. He's telling it the financial dashboard, and he's going to go to making this HTML document just like that. As you can see, he has also went ahead and put the CSS right here in the scripting of the HTML document, and we can go down and see how simplistic this is, right? Quickly, in less than about a minute, he has given us a dashboard for a financial application. So while, albeit it may not work, it might not work, you're saying backends, I get that. This is not that type of course. This is just to show you how quickly you can get started developing with, and when I say developing, coming up with prototypes, coming up with ideas, and bringing your ideas to fruition with Gemini, okay? We're gonna scroll down and see Gemini has explained exactly what he did, HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, the buttons, and it's very simplistic. If you want more, you can ask him to do more. The cool thing about this is, right, we can see our code, we can scroll through it, we can see our preview right there. Now, the other cool thing about utilizing Gemini is we can make changes on the fly. So let's just say, hey, can you change the colorway? And let's see what happens. So as you can see with the simple prompt, Gemini has went ahead and changed the colorway of our dashboard. And any other little minute changes you want to make, you can continue to prompt away, or vibe code as the kids are calling it these days. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you guys. I want you to jam out, make a bunch of small apps, and get to it. And I'll see you on the next one.